Alright. Tom is going to perform some ridiculous stunt and probably hurt himself in the process.
I don't know how the best way to do this
What?
is. Kind of fall.
There you go.
Huh?
Not going to catch you.
If I just fall that way, I can hang from it. Think it'll work? If I just fall that way.
Yeah, do it.
Huh?
Do it.
I'm scared.
Chicken.
Stop. Let's go like that and I can hang from it.
Christ, I don't have all day. Come on, Superman.
Huh?
Come on, Superman.
I'm afraid I'm gonna weigh too much. I'm not gonna be able to carry my own weight.
What, the towel?
Yeah. For myself.
Oh,
Yeah, I can really hurt myself.
maybe you should just go back the way you came. Dude, I could jump that high.
You can jump this high up.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Death-defying stunt by Cracker. Whoa.
Now take a picture. Jeez.
Boy, you're really risking your life.
I'm exhausted.